Hey everyone, Benoit, founder Screenpipe AI, powered by everything you've seen, said or heard. This is a tutorial of how to use Screenpipe. I'm going to show you how you can use different features of Screenpipe, how you can get the most out of it. So first, make sure it's recording. You should see in Mac, you have here your trim menu, and it should show recording. You see some of your audio devices actually, and so here I was. So for example, here I was using Obsidian recently, so you can see it was recording. Another thing you can do is say if you're not confident about those things, to check again. You also have this, and you can say is Screenpipe talking. And if you run into any issues, you can always click here, recording. It will pause and restart it. You can also quit app and restart the app. But usually it should work smoothly. And on Mac, you also can double check this. And if you try to build the open source version of Screenpipe, you might have issue where you need to remove and add it again. But if you use Screenpipe build normally, you just need to add the permission once, and it will work always. You can also check the microphone. And but this should Screenpipe should tell you if this is not working. And so here you see it's working now. So you can so you have you have like timeline where you can scroll everything you've done, and you can search. So usually like search is like on Mac is like command control Q. And I can do like what move to see Q, for example. And so here you see times you had chat about Q, and also things in if you enable the keyboard and keyboard stuff, you can see here. You can also see every time you mentioned about Q. For example, I want to see to retrieve like some chat about and then another thing about the timeline, you think, and this is like you can see like the transcription. If you click on it, you had like a conversation, and you can also summarize the conversations you had, and like you can see apps here. You can see websites you went to, and then another thing about Screenpipe is connecting to AI apps. So you can for example, I use a lot Cloud, and you just click here, and then inside of Cloud app, you can ask, okay, create look at all list 20 way I could automate my day based on Screenpipe data. And at the start of this command, you do like /loop. It's like a feature of Cloud, and it's going to do it. It's going to constantly list automation idea. So that's just a way you can use Cloud with Screenpipe. And you can do the same with Codex. Here you click connect, and it will let you use Screenpipe inside of the Codex. This is like a way to connect your memories. So it will connect Screenpipe memories with Codex memories, and so that allows you to have Codex know more things about you. And you have the same thing here with Cloud. Then about AI connections, you have one thing you can do is here you can create presets that will allow you to use different AI inside of Screenpipe. You can use like Screenpipe Cloud, which gives you a bunch of AI models with different advantages. Some are cheaper, some are faster, some are more confidential, more private. Some are better at specific type of content, and then you can also connect your ChatGPT subscription or use Cloud with your API. And you can also use Ollama. So to use Ollama, you need to install Ollama. So usually you just need to run Ollama and make it install a specific model. And then you can here you see I have Ollama running locally, and I have a bunch of models. You can just pick them and select. Yeah, and then you might have wondered what's Pipes. So Pipes is just an AI that run on schedule and will do things with your Screenpipe recordings. And so yeah, I have a bunch of pipes, but you can see in discover, you can see some popular ones. For example, a digital clone, which is going to create like it's going to create like memories of who you are, people you meet. It will structure as like in nodes, like structure by projects, people, tasks, inside learning. So you can customize it as you prefer. And so what you can do is like install pipes like this. And another thing you can do is you can just create pipes simply by asking. So can you? I'm doing a demo, so I want to show how to create pipes. Can you summarize my day and then create a pipe? So do it every day at 6 p.m. And so you can do it like schedule every day specific hour, or you can make it like every hour, or anything customized like this. And Screenpipe has access to everything you are doing, and so it can also control any apps you are using. It can interact with any software, just like Cloud or Codex or ChatGPT. And so it's really up to you to decide if you can do anything you want. And so here you see it created a bike, and you can ask it, okay, run it. What I do usually is ask, okay, test it now. And then it can you can say, oh, it's not good enough, I want to do this or that instead, and give feedback, and it will improve it. And then when you are done, you will see you see this one. I'm going to you can run it if you want here manually. You can after a few days you can click this button. It will try to improve the vibe to make it more better based on previous runs. You can share it with people, publish to the store, and I'm going to turn it off because I already have it done. And another thing you can do with to get the most out of Screenpipe is you can connect apps, as you've seen, apps you are using. Notion, connect to Notion. You can connect your. I like to connect my calendar and my can connect calendar here, and Obsidian. You can also do like add custom MCP. So MCP is just a way to a standard way to connect tools to AI. And so, for example, here I connected N8N and Prod. So it means that AI can get my transcription from Prod. Prod is just like a transcription device. N8N is like something to create automations. And so, for example, Screenpipe can decide to, okay, every day you are going to create N8N automation based on what I did yesterday, or leverage my conversation in the real world to summarize my day with Screenpipe. And you also have skills that AI can leverage. And another thing is meetings. So by default, Screenpipe will transcribe everything in the background, but you can also have this focus view where you can type just like other like meeting notes you're probably using, and it's going to I'm doing demo, and when you're done, you can see like the script here. When you're done, you can summarize here, and it's going to AI is going to summarize your meeting, and can help you with uploading to other tools, or it can you can assign speakers in different ways if it was not the way you want it. And something you can do with speakers is like here you will have a view of all the speakers you talk to, and you can improve some speakers. I just want to show you for any technical people here, or you can also do this in you're not technical, but you're so in your home folder you will have a folder that's called .screenpipe in your home, and it's this is mine. Yours will be much simpler, but mine I did a lot of things. But basically, the most important things is just you have like a data folder where you will have okay, my folder is big, so but you will have a bunch of MP4 files here, and then here you see this TD SQLite is just your all your data is stored in this and this folder where you have MP4 files for like screen recordings. That's it. You can also use, of course, your open your Finder or on Windows, equivalent on Windows. Issues, click here on Help, and X doesn't work. But whenever you have an issue, you can do this, click here, and it will help us to improve features or fix bugs very quickly. You can also schedule a call with us by clicking Google Call and join the community. You can check our YouTube video and ask some features, specific features, create issues on GitHub. Yeah, that's it. And also, if you want to, if you have a team, feel free to schedule a call with us, and we are happy to help you set up this AI that knows everything about your company. Thanks. If you don't have Screenpipe already, go to screenpipe.com. Bye bye.